Now that your POS is set up, it's time to do a test transaction so you're ready to sell in person. Let's get started by reviewing the payment settings in the POS. From the home screen, tap the menu icon. Here you can see what location you logged into. Next, tap Settings, and then open Payment Settings. Here you see the payment types that are accepted in your store. To enable a payment type, tap the payment icon to open it. In this example, we open the cash payment type, then toggle on Accept Cash Payments. Repeat these steps for any other payment types that you want to accept. Make sure that cash is an accepted payment type on your POS, so you can follow along with this tutorial. Now it's time to run a test transaction. To begin, we're going to start a new cash tracking session. Tap the menu icon, and then tap Register. Tap Start Tracking Session, and enter the amount of cash your register is starting with, for example, $200. Then, tap Confirm. Now that you have cash in the register, it's time to process a sale. First, add a product to the cart. Tap the menu icon, and then tap Products. From here, use the search bar to find a specific item, or tap on any product to open it. If this product has multiple variants, then select a variant that's in stock at this location. From the product page, tap Add to Cart. Now, go back to the home page by tapping the navigation menu and then Home. Next, you need to add a customer to the order. Tap More Actions and then tap Add Customer. Because we don't want to send any notices to existing customers, we're going to create a new test profile for this transaction. Tap Add New Customer and enter a first and last name, then your personal email address. Entering your own email address is important because we're going to test an email receipt in this transaction. Click Save to finish. The new customer is now added to the cart. Next, tap Checkout and choose a payment method for the transaction. For this test, choose Cash and accept exact change. You can confirm the total amount owing at the top of the screen. Then, select Email Receipt, confirm that this is your personal email address, and tap Send. To finish, tap Add Order Note and write that this was a test transaction for your personal records. Tap Save. After you complete these steps, tap Done to complete the transaction. Your test transaction is now complete. You can open the email account that you used for the test transaction. Here, you can see the email receipt that a customer would see after making a purchase. Back on the POS app, tap the menu icon and then Orders. The test order you just processed should be at the top of the list. If you don't see it, make sure that POS is selected under Sale Type and the location you're currently logged into is checked under Sale Location. Tap the order to view the receipt, process returns, exchanges, and to access the customer details. You can also read the order note that you left earlier. We're going to finish our test transaction by closing the register. But remember, you don't need to close the register after every transaction. You only close the register when you're finished selling for the day or you need to open a new register. Start by tapping the menu icon, and then tap Register. Next, tap View Open Session to open the current cash tracking session. The expected cash balance is the amount you started with, $200, plus the cash that you accepted from the test transaction. Make a note of this total, you'll need it later. Tap End Tracking Session and enter the total from the previous page. Then tap Next. Tap Add Note and write that this is a test transaction. Then tap Save. To finish, tap Next and enter the amount to leave in the drawer for the next cash tracking session. Since we didn't leave any real cash in the register, enter the expected cash balance you noted earlier. Then tap Confirm. Tap Done to finish. If you have questions, then click the link to learn more about cash tracking from our help docs. You're all finished. If you'd like to learn how to remove this test order from your Shopify admin, click the link in this video. For more information on using POS, visit help.shopify.com/questions.